Welcome to Boundary Ford. We are located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is gray, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter POWERBOOST full hybrid engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have auto headlamps, fog lamps, tow hooks, and over at the side we have 20-inch wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera, and a power tailgate. And at the interior we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. And as we move closer into the cabin, you will see our black leather seating. Over at our steering column, our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right our media and hands-free options. And as we look ahead, you will see we have B&O audio, Sirius XM, sync navigation, vehicle hotspot, mobile apps, Ford Assistance, 911 Assist, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth connection, and below we have our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. And below we have the dual cup holders, gear shift, and storage. And at the rear, door storage, cup holder, and power windows. Our heated bench seating provides a ton of legroom and head space. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 XLT, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.